So why does an insurance company ask for a recorded statement after a motor vehicle accident? Well, typically a motor vehicle accident occurs, the insurance companies are going to want to talk to the people involved and they will ask for a recorded statement. The insurance adjuster will say they want to get your side of the story. Fair enough, maybe. So what exactly is a recorded statement? Literally, you're going to get a phone call. This is Susan from Allstate Insurance or whatever insurance company. I'm calling about the accident. I just want to ask you a few details. Is it okay if I record our conversation? And sure, off you go. It seems innocuous enough. So once they get permission to record your statement, they're actually going to record the entire conversation. And sometimes not only do they keep the recording, but they'll turn it into a written transcript so you can see the questions and answers almost like it's a deposition. So why? Well, the statement provides important information that the insurance company needs to know, who's at fault, what are the injuries, things like that. But also know that the insurance company is looking for inconsistencies. They're looking for inconsistencies between your story and the police report. They're looking for inconsistencies with injuries. For example, if you're in an auto accident and it happens at 9 in the morning and you get a call at 10 in the morning, your adrenaline's still pumping, everything is still fresh. They say, hey, how are you feeling? You're like, okay, I'm feeling all right. Okay, great. No injuries? No injuries. And then the next day you wake up and feel like total crap. Well, it's not because you were not injured at all. It's because it was delayed symptoms and you felt it definitely the next morning. Well, now you've got a recorded statement saying you feel fine and suddenly you've got all this medical treatment. So, were you lying then or are you lying now? It can be a little bit challenging. So if the insurance company for the other driver calls you and says, hey, I want a recorded statement, you probably don't have any legal obligation to give them one. If you have questions, go talk to an experienced personal injury lawyer. Now, if your own insurance calls you for a recorded statement, generally you have an obligation to participate in their investigation and to cooperate. So you might be required to give them a recorded statement. If you're not sure, what you can do is when they get you on the phone, just say, hey, this isn't a good time. Let's reschedule. Go ahead and reschedule your recorded statement and then go talk to an experienced lawyer about what you should do.